Good morning, everybody. How are you? Of course, I believe everyone have a good condition now. So do I. I find too. Okay. You all study English today. First of all, I would like to share a good tips how to overcome the COVID-19 or virus corona. Are you ready to join it? Okay, let's pay attention to this one. The first, wash your hand before and after doing the activity. The secondly, use the masker if you want to go out of the home. The third, keep yourself or keep your distance between one to another people. Four, don't forget always pray to the God. Think that's enough? One more try. The first, wash your hand before and after doing the activity. The secondly, use the masker if you want to go out from home. The third, keep your distance between one people to another. And the fourth, don't forget always pray to the God. Okay, thank you. Okay. Well, students, today we have to study now. The topic of our lesson today will be discussed is about self-identity and family relative. Okay, as we know, there is two basic competencies. Or the first, knowledge basic competence atau kompetensi pengetahuan adalah sebagai berikut. To analyze the social function, text structure and language elements of transactional interactive text orally and written that involve of action to give and ask information related with the self-identity and family relative according to the context of its use. Next, skill basic competence atau kompetensi dasar keterampilan. To arrange transactional interactive text orally and written, short and simple, that involve action to give and ask information related with the self-identity and family relative by attention to social function, text structure, and correctly of language elements according to the context of it used. Inilah kompetensi dasar, kompetensi pengetahuan dan kompetensi dasar yang harus dicapai dalam pembelajaran kita pada saat ini. Next, the objective of teaching atau tujuan pembelajaran. At the end of this study, the student are able first to understand social function text about self-identity and family relative. Jadi yang pertama adalah tujuan daripada pembelajaran ini, setelah pembelajaran berakhir, Maka siswa diharapkan yang pertama dapat memahami teks fungsi sosial mengenai jati diri dan hubungan keluarga. Secondly, to present the dialogue about self-identity and family relative. Jadi yang kedua adalah yang menjadi tujuan dalam pembelajaran ini adalah siswa dapat mempraktekkan sebuah dialog tentang jati diri dan hubungan keluarga. Okay, we must going on. Kita lanjut. Now, teaching the material. Jadi yang akan kita bahas di sini yang pertama adalah greeting and its response, yaitu ucapan salam dan responnya. Okay. There is several about greetings and its response. So in this case, I will give some example about formal greeting and its response. For example, if people said good morning, so another people should be answer or should be response hello, good morning, or good afternoon. Its response should be hello, good afternoon. Next example, good evening. It also should be respond hello, good evening. Or if people say hello, how are you? So another people should be respond like this: I am fine, thank you. Or excuse me, I have to go now. So the response is yes, of course, see you. Another example, goodbye. So its response should be so, see you later, and etc. I think this several example about how to express about greeting and its response. Okay, we must going on. Number 2, introducing oneself. In this case, if people to be one to introduce his or herself to another people, so we can see some expressions can be used in this section. For example, formal expressions. If I would like to explain myself, it can be said like that. Would you please introduce myself? My name's Dennis. How do you do? So based these expressions, the response is yes, of course. My name, for example, my name Edo. How do you do? Okay. Next, informal expression atau ungkapan yang informal atau yang tidak resmi. What's your name? The response should be my name's Rudy. But informal expression this case always used by the people in everyday life. Okay, once more I give one example informal expression. What's your name? So it should be respond, my name is blah blah blah. For example, my name's Rudy. How do you do? Fine, thanks. Okay. Next. Number 3, introducing others. If you are introducing someone who have not met each other before, you can use the expression as follows. Di sini tentang memperkenalkan diri kepada seseorang lain atau orang lain. Jika Anda ingin memperkenalkan diri Anda yang sebelumnya Anda belum pernah sama sekali menemukan orang tersebut, maka ada beberapa ungkapan yang dapat kita gunakan atau kita pakai sebagai berikut. We can see about formal expressions. Jadi ada ungkapan-ungkapan resmi. So the example, good morning, this is my father, Mr. John. So the response should be like that. Good morning, how do you do? Okay, next example. Hello, this is Juliet Labiro. So its response should be, hello, how do you do? Next, another example, but these sentences including informal expression. For example, may I introduce my brother Joshua? Hello, I am Saseo. This is response according to this expression. One small example, may I introduce my brother Joshua? So the response should be like that. Hello, I am Saseo, for example. Next, I'd like to introduce my uncle Dwi Kurniawan. So nice to meet you. Okay. Next. Okay, let's pay attention to this dialogue in the part 4. Okay, part 4, introducing to know each other through dialogue. Hello guys, we have 2 new students with us. Listen to them. Jadi di sini ada percakapan 2 orang yang ingin memperkenalkan tentang jati diri yang bersangkutan. Di sini kita beri contoh antara Linda dan Juliet. Oke, mari kita ikuti dengan saksama dialog ini. Linda, hi, I am Linda. What is your name? Juliet, my name is Juliet Labiro. Next, Linda says, what's your name? Juliet says, Juliet. Linda, next, where are you from? Juliet says, I am from Poso. What about you? Linda responds, I am from Tentena. Where do you live? Juliet, I live at the FDP Street in Pomona. What about you? Linda says, I live at the Turulimba Street in Yosi. How many brothers and sisters do you have? Juliet says, I have 2 sisters and no brother. What about you? Linda, I have not brother and sister. I just alone. What is your parents' job? Juliet says, my father is a teacher and my mother is a priest. What about you? Linda says, my father is a farmer and my mother is a housewife. What is your hobby? Juliet says, my hobby is singing. What about you? Linda says, my hobby is dancing. Okay, this is example about the dialogue. The dialogue in order to introducing the self between Linda and Juliet. So next section, part 5 or number 5. This is about task, containing about task. The student should be answer or should be complete this dialogue. Okay, let's pay attention to this task number 5. Complete the dialogue and practice it with your partner without the text. Okay, complete the dialogue and practice it with your partner without the text. Jadi di sini ada perintah, lengkapilah dialog ini dan praktekkan dialog tersebut bersama partner Anda atau pasangan Anda tanpa dengan menggunakan teks. Okay, let's pay attention to this dialogue. A. Hi, would you please introduce myself? My name is blah blah blah. What is your name? B. My name is blah blah blah. A. Where do you come from? B. I come from blah blah blah. A. Where do you live? B. I live at the blah 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 street blah 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 in blah blah blah. So this question should be completed like example before. A. Where do you study? B. I study at the blah blah blah. A. What class are you? Okay. B. I am blah blah blah. For example, I am the third year student of multimedia. This is for example. A. How many brother and sister you have? B. I have blah blah brothers and blah blah sisters. A. What is your parents' job? B. My father is a blah 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 and my mother is a blah blah blah. A. What is your hobby? B. My hobby is blah blah blah. A. Where do you continue your study after you have graduated? Okay, just listen to this question. Where do you continue your study after you have graduated? Kemana Anda melanjutkan sekolah setelah tamat? Okay, B. I will continue my study at the blah blah blah. So that's enough. Several questions through the dialogue between A and B. So in this case, I hope all of the first year student of all of the program after join this program or teaching English today, I hope please complete this dialogue, answer this dialogue, and then you will practice together with your partner without the text. Jadi silakan diisi, dilengkapi, kemudian dipraktekkan dengan teman Anda tanpa menggunakan teks. Dan sesudah Anda menjawab, melengkapi dan membuat satu dialog singkat berdasarkan teks ini, silakan kirim ke grup. Saya tunggu pada hari yang sama. Okay? Think that's enough. Thank you for your attention to study now. May God blessing us. Thank you very much. Good morning, everybody.